Okay, after doing my degree back in 1990, I went into a whole series of doing experiments to try and find a different voice from anybody else as an artist to what anybody else was doing. And I come up with this idea around then, that time, of using Morse code so that the text is hidden under the sort of abstract imagery. And this is a fairly recent painted within about last year, and it's called Love, and it's a whole part of a whole series of paintings I did to do with the emotions of love. Um, this painting is very interesting because, number one, it's called Depression, and I was I was going through depression myself, and I was going up and down with me emotions and feelings, and I heard about Spike Milligan having bipolar and that, and the painting is titled Depression, uh, but the wording on it there in Morse code is manic, and I didn't know whether I was or not having that, but I since found when I met my wife, um, and this is a portrait I've done of my wife. When I met my wife on the 1st of July 2013, I then found out that she had bipolar and got bipolar, and the relationship with started with this wink that she did, and I wanted to portrait of that.